Hey, this is Dr. Jide with Advantage Tutoring. Are you ready to be a badass in Precalculus? If so, welcome to day one. In day one, we have this question, which is testing your knowledge of exponents. All right, so we have this expression b to the power of 2n plus 1 all to the power of 3 divided by b to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of 4n plus 3. All right, now for this question, we're going to make use of two laws of exponents. The first law is if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, what does this give you? By the law of exponents is a to the power of m plus n. So you just add the exponents together. All right. Now take note, they must have the same base. All right. Now, if you have a to the power of m all multiplied by n, is the same thing as saying a multiplied by a to the power of m times n, which is a m n. All right. Then one more law, if you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of m minus n. All right. So these are three laws that we're going to use to solve this question. Okay. So now let's get into it. Now, b to the power of 2n plus 1 all to the power of 3, we're going to make use of this law. A to the power of m all to the power of n. So this gives you b to the power of 3 multiplied by this. All right. Then divided by, now this is b to the power of n times b to the power of 4n plus 3. That looks like this. So you just add the exponents together. So this is b to the power of n plus 4n plus 3. Okay, now I can continue here. So this gives me b to the power of 3 times 2n is what? 6n. 3 times 1 is what? 3 divided by b 5n plus 3. n plus 4n is 5n, right? Plus 3, right? So we have b to the power of 6n plus 3 divided by b to the power of 5n plus 3. Now, what do we do when we are dividing exponents together? We subtract here, just like this. All right, so this gives me b to the power of 6n plus 3 minus 5n plus 3. All right, 6n minus 5n is what? N plus 3 minus 3, because minus times plus gives you minus. So plus 3 minus 3 cancels each other out, 0. So the answer is b to the power of n. All right. So this is how you solve a question that has exponents. You just make use of you need to have knowledge of the law of exponents, and these are some of the laws we used today. All right. Thank you for joining me on day one. If you found value from this video, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you.